Welcome to Toolbox. In this video, we will look at the options when opening an existing file. First, you will notice that my Open button currently is not available. It is grayed out. That is because I do not have a file selected. So in order to open a file, I will select it first. It shows its highlight around the file. And now my Open button is available. When I do that and click on Open, you will see that I now have two options. I could either edit the file or create a copy. Editing the file means opening the original, and whatever I do to that original will be recorded and saved automatically by Toolbox. So I would lose my original. It would now be modified. Creating a copy would allow me to take a copy, open it, edit it. Toolbox would save the changes for that second file automatically. So I will create a copy. I will give it a name, let's say bird with house. And when I click OK, now the software will open up a copy of the original in the editing screen. Whatever I do here, whether I resize, rotate, do anything to this file, is saved automatically by Toolbox. That's a great convenience while you work. So when I'm done, I could send this to the machine, stitch it out, and so on. If I go back to the main screen, the opening screen, you will see that my second version is now here and I have preserved my original. Now this may have been a one-shot deal. I just wanted to make a quick change to stitch it out. I will not use this again. I could delete this second copy by selecting it and clicking on the delete button. Whenever you want to delete, you always have to confirm. That way you cannot lose files by mistake. When I say yes, my deletion is complete, and now you can see that I still have my original. So this is the difference between opening for editing directly, which is the original, versus creating a copy first. As a rule, I would advise to create a copy just in case.